Hey y'all, I am taking my first Spirit Airline flight today, and so I thought it might be helpful to do a packing video to see if I can figure out how to pack all of this stuff. And that is what I'm packing for a week in Aruba. And this is March, so you know, it'll be warm. I think it's high 70s, low 80s every day. And I'm gonna try to pack a week's worth of clothes in this backpack. So it's small because the bigger the bag I carry, the more I put in it, and I'm really trying to limit what I'm taking today. So the other backpack option is this one, which is I think it's eBags bag, which is significantly bigger and is like the size of a carry-on. I've heard that if it's a backpack, it'll be fine. It'll be within Spirit's carry-on allowance. And for people who don't know, the reason I'm really being cautious about packing now is that Spirit Airlines allows you to pack one carry-on item for free, and after that, every bag counts. So even if you only have one roller bag that you're carrying on the plane with you, they still charge you $50 in advance. At least that's what they told me they'd charge in an email. On this flight, $50 in advance and $60 if I pay at the airport. And since I don't want to pay $60 just to carry a bag on the plane, I'm gonna try to get everything in my backpack. So it is an exercise in saving money and an exercise in being a minimalist today. So let's see how I do. To help with the packing, I'm using one packing cube, hoping I get all my clothes for a week's worth of clothes in here. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. I typically pack in plastic bags. My shoes. I pack my shoes in plastic bags, but try to upgrade my life a little bit right now because I end up with like 1,000 plastic bags with shoes in it. So I bought these shoe bags so I can pack my shoes in them. So a little bit of an upgrade. They were cheap. I think I got three of these bags for $6. But I really hate my shoes touching my clothes and other stuff. I don't pack shoes loose in bags, I never have. Bit of a germaphobe, we haven't talked about that before. So I'll put them in the shoe bags and then put them in the backpack. Ridiculous to travel like this because there's literally no room in here. What do you think? I mean, I don't have that much left to go, but it's not like any of my stuff is gonna get smaller. Oh, I haven't packed socks. I remember to go get some socks. It's not like any of the stuff is gonna get smaller, so I don't think it makes sense. Like, I'm not gonna come back with less of this. Let's pack the other bag. Let's pack the other bag. This is Michigan. See how big it is? I'm hoping it won't be a problem. I'm hoping they won't charge me for this bag. There's really no way to make it look smaller. It's just a huge bag. Okay, so this is how big it is. Remember how in the backpack, this took up all the space? Look how much room there is in there, and it stretches out a lot more. So I'm gonna try to make it as small as possible when I'm going, but I don't know how small as possible is going to look to the agents at Spirit. So I'm hoping, like I said, they won't charge me. I heard they don't charge you if it's a backpack, like any backpack, but we'll see. Maybe not, like it can't be one of those hiking backpacks, I don't know. Toilet shoes are in.